PNI House IPMAX POE 3 can be controlled locally or remotely from mobile devices through the XMEye application compatible with Android and iOS, and from the PC through the General CMS software. The CMS software installation file can be found on the CD included in the package or can be downloaded from our website on the product page download section. The PNI House IPMAX POE 3 surveillance system includes a recording unit, NVR, and 4 POE cameras that can be used both indoors and outdoors. The system records image and sound through the 4 POE 3 megapixel cameras, 2304 by 1296 pixels with built-in microphone. You will get incredibly bright and clear images in real colors. The 4 IR LEDs and flashlight, white light provide visibility at night for a distance of up to 15 meters. Optimized storage space supports up to 8 terabytes HDD not included, with H.265 AI or H.265 plus video compression, the newest and most efficient compression technology without compromising video quality. We recommend use only with hard disks dedicated to surveillance systems with guaranteed reliability, strength and quality 24/7. The PNI House IPMAX POE 3 surveillance system supports the connection of 4 POE cameras via direct connection to the 4 POE ports on the NVR or 9 POE cameras via a POE switch up to 8 megapixel 4K, or the network connection of 9 cameras with IP up to 8 megapixels 4K. You can connect several types of monitors. The device is equipped with HDMI and VGA output. Video recordings stored on the HDD installed in the NVR, HDD not included, can be downloaded locally to a USB stick via the USB 2.0 interface or remotely via the internet directly to a PC. The NVR can be connected to the internet via the RJ45 LAN port. A single Ethernet cable is required to simultaneously transmit video signal to the NVR and power to the cameras. Safe, stable and reliable transmission, so don't worry about connecting cameras and long coaxial cables that can affect image quality. The cameras work with CAT5, CAT7 network cables up to 100 meters long. The package includes 4 18.3 meter Ethernet cables. The PNI House IPMAX POE 3 surveillance system supports the function of identifying the human face or human form depending on the connected cameras, and saves in its own memory different hypostases of the face based on which the user will be able to select video recordings.